Namaste children. Today we are going to learn Political Science, Civics Chapter 3, Why do we need a parliament? In the previous lessons we learned about the constitution, fundamental rights, key features of Indian constitution, and we learned about secularism and all. So this lesson we are going to learn about more about the parliament. Here we are going to learn the role of people and their participation. Why should they decide? And representative of the people, parliament function, people in the parliament. These are all we are going to learn from this lesson. Why do we need a parliament? Before going to the lesson, we can do a quick recap about the history of India before independence. We got the independence on August 15, 1947 from British. Before that, we are under the British rule from 1600 onwards. Here we can see Indian national movement started in our country. The peoples did the struggle for equality, freedom, and participation in decision making. Because of the ideas and the inspiration of the national leaders, here developed a political party in 1885, that was Indian National Congress. They demanded the member of participation to the legislature. In 1909, Government of India Act it was passed. It allowed some electoral representative to the legislature. Anyway, after a long struggle, we got the independence on 1947 on August 15 from British. After that, India became a independent nation. After getting independence, India became a democratic country. So people participation is very, very essential for a democratic country. People participation in decision making, freedom, equality and justice, all these elements together make a democracy and expressed through the institution of parliament. So democracy expressed through the institution, through that is parliament. So here, for maintenance of democracy, what is the role of or what are the functions of parliament we are going to learn from this lesson. Why do we need a parliament? Parliament, it is an institution to make India as a democratic country. It is an idea of people participation in decision making and control the government. Here we are all know the peoples are the pillars of government. How people become the pillars of government? Through the voting system, we are electing our leaders. According to our constitution, every citizen of India have the right to vote, that we called as a universal adult franchise. Each and every citizen of a country who are all above 18 years age, they have the right to vote to select their leader or representative, that we called as universal adult franchise. So let us see how the people participation in decision making and control the government through a political institution, that was parliament. Parliament has two houses or two parts. That was one is Lok Sabha and another one is Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha, it is known as lower house of the parliament or council of people. That means in this Lok Sabha, the members are elected by the people through the universal adult franchise. So the citizens, they are electing through the voting system, they are electing the leader that peoples form the Lok Sabha from each and every constituencies. And it has 545 members in Lok Sabha. Out of these 545, 2 members nominated by the President of India. This Lok Sabha is working, the period of duration for the working of Lok Sabha for 5 years. This Lok Sabha is presided by Lok Sabha Speaker. The second houses of Parliament is Rajya Sabha. It is called as upper house of the Parliament or the Council of States. The members of this Rajya Sabha, it represents the states. It has 245 members. Out of these, 12 members are nominated by the President from various departments like art, science, sports, like that. It has the duration for 6 years. It is presided by Vice President of India. 1/3 of members retired from Rajya Sabha every 2 years. Every year, they are adding additional members to the Rajya Sabha. In this introduction session, we learned that Parliament, it is a political institution to make the idea of people participation in decision making. Parliament has 2 houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha has 545 members, 2 members nominated by the President. It is working for 5 years. And Rajya Sabha, it has 245 members. In that, 12 members nominated by the President from various departments. It has the duration for 6 years.